tingnan mo. Na ngayon. Okay, rolling na, rolling. Rolling, rolling.
Isa pa nga.
Audience, silence.
Alan, please. Anjo, are you ready?
Pwede mo ako sticker sa Kino? Let's try it. Let's try.
Sige, sige.
Let's
Okay.
try lang. Let's try. No, let's try.
Okay, nagagalit si Philip.
Try lang.
1 minute, I'll take
Try
it.
lang ito. Magaling ako sa Kino.
Sige lang.
One by one.
Basta huwag kayong magsasabay na magsalita.
Chris Aquino interviewing Anjo Iliana. Okay, light, camera, audience quiet, lights, camera, action, rolling.
Si Anjo Iliana.
Siya nga.
Okay, interview.
Chika-chika lang yun.
Okay.
Ikaw naman, kinakarin mo rin.
Game.
Rolling na, kay Christy.
Oh, go.
Kay Chris
Ayaw na.
Aquino. Okay, Chris Aquino interviewing Anjo Iliana.
Good afternoon. You wanna want? Ay, ako, ewan ko sa issue.
Ayan.
Sorry.
Si Chapos.
Ano ba? Teka muna. Ano ba meron kay Anjo Iliana? Kasi naman,
Eh, tanungin mo siya.
Anjo Iliana, what are you doing here?
Anjo. Anjo answered. Anjo answered.
Boy, ang lumabas pa rin.
Like, how did you get here? Was there so many traffic around? Like the bus, you know, the kotse, are they bumping around?
No, I think it's
The train. So how much was your bayad to the train? 3 yuan. Oh, that's mura naman. So who's your jowa now?
Papabugbog kita.
Nobody. Why? Why don't you have no jowa? Why don't you make mahaba naman your answer? Because your answer is very short naman. Why? You don't know? Why are your eyes so...
Boom mic. Ay, baba, boom mic. Medyo ipakita mo para. I-edit naman natin yan eh.
Why are
Lower
your
the
eyes
mic.
nakaakit naman? Ha?
Pakibaba mo para makikita. Talaga siya may-edit yan. Ayan.
Really? So where did you graduate from high school?
Mahirap ba?
Sapang Bato? So Sapang Bato? Where is Sapang Bato, people?
Over the river puti ba? Bastos to ba?
Up. Cut. Anjo, please. Hello, bad words. On the air tayo.
Sorry, Jake, sorry.
Ha? On the air tayo. Sorry, please.
Hindi, bastos kasi yung nag-i-interview.
It's okay
Hindi.
naman.
Just answer the question, huwag ka mapikon. Kasi tinanong ka ng ng buong Pilipinas.
Hindi, dinidisgree ka.
Hindi. Kaya nga, ipagtanggol mo sarili mo in a nice way. Wag Okay. Lights, camera, action, rolling. Boom mic down.
So
Okay,
again, may Sapang Bato naman.
bakit ano nangyayari? Cut. Ano nangyayari sa'yo? Ano?
Actually, it's my hair. I'm
Ganun ba yun?
curling it.
Para mongoloid lang
Pakisalo mo nga to. Bagong driver ko. Okay, lights, camera, action.
So where is Sapang Bato?
In Pampanga.
Yung Pimpenge. So where is Pimpenge?
Tapaling ko na to. Nang ano
Anjo,
eh.
cut!
Date ng
Hindi.
minamalita ka.
Hindi, ganun na kasi kasi. Ano naman yan
Kinakanap
eh.
sa media. Pero dapat di ka napipikon. I-interview mo lang ni Chris.
Okay, clear ba si Anjo?
Tagal na. Anjo, magkakali ka muna. Please, came sit. Alan, please. Direct, okay lang yung boomer natin. Okay lang yung boom mic natin. Alan. Ano ba, Paule?
Sige na, Anjo. Isa ba?
Hindi ako katawa-tawa.
Isa ba?
Okay, direct. Okay na. Direct. Boom mic man. Camera. Lolit, please, medyo. Lolit, kailangan na ba? Huwag mo na maingay.
Saka hindi naman ano.
Chris Aquino. Anjo
Alam
Iliana.
kasi, ng...
Light, camera. Action. Rolling.
So what do you do in the government? And why are your lips like that?
Make funny.
I think your labi is so nice. I don't know why.
Hindi ko alam.
What do you do in the government? No, it's okay. What is that? You make karakot?
Long pa yung bata. Long.
Direk, ano ba tama na kasi laban? Ano?
Cut. Okay. Mag-change tayo ng ng
Venue.
character.
Oo, tama naman na.
Alan Kay interview Yolo Martinez.
Uy, dito ka. Dali, mag-iinom na. Mamaya, mag-iinom pa kami.